Hello students, in this problem we have to prove the value of this integration is equal to pi by 2ab. Okay, so let's start. I equals to 0 to 90, right? And it is dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, so it will become 0 to 90, it is sec square x dx divided by a square plus b square tan square x. Okay, now put tan x is equal to t, so sec square x dx is equal to dt, and corresponding the value of limit will change, right? So here x and t, if you put the value of x is equal to 0, so t becomes 0. If you put the value of x is equal to 90, so 10 90 infinity, so 90 it is infinity. Okay, so integration becomes I equals to 0 to infinity, and it is dt divided by a square b square t square. Okay, if you take 1 by b square outside, so it is 0 to infinity, and this is dt divided by a by b whole square plus t square. Now this integration is just like on the standard format x square plus a square, so it is 1 by b square and b by a, and just like tan inverse bt by a 0 to infinity, so it is 1 by ab, right? And here tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0, so this is 0, and 1 by ab, and this is what? This is pi by 2, so it is pi by 2 ab, hence proved. Now another question which is similar to this question, and but having some different structure. Okay, so this question is 0 to pi and dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, and this is equal to pi by ab. So we have to prove this. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss on the basic concepts. 0 to 2a fx dx is equal to 0 to a fx dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. If any function follows this, right, then 0 to 2a fx dx will become 2 twice of 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so here if you put here put fx is equal to, suppose 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, correct? So if we take pi minus x, okay, so pi minus x will become a square and cos of pi minus x whole square plus b square and sin pi minus x whole square. Okay, so it is just like 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, and this is what? This is fx. So f pi minus x is equal to fx, which follows this. So integration becomes I equal to 0 to pi fx dx is equal to twice of 0 to pi by 2 fx dx, correct? So this is 0 twice of 0 to pi by 2, and dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. And from previous result we know the value of this integration is pi by 2ab, that's why it is pi by ab, hence proved. Now we move on another question, that is I equals to 0 to pi x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x is equal to pi square by 2ab. So how to prove this integration values, right? So let's start. I equals to given 0 to pi, okay, and x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay, so using King's rule we find that 0 to pi and x is replaced by pi minus x. Okay, so pi minus x divided by a square cos of pi minus x whole square plus b square and sin pi minus x whole square. So it is just like 0 to pi and pi minus x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now I is equal to we can bifurcate here pi 0 to pi and dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x and minus 0 to pi. Okay, and it is x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. You can see here that 0 to pi dx a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, the value of this integration is pi by ab, which is already proved in previous lecture, I mean previous problem. So this is pi by ab right now. So we can say here the value of this integration will be pi by ab, and minus what is this? This is just like I, so we can put here I. So I 2i is equal to pi and pi by ab, right? So it is just like pi square by ab. So we can say I is equal to pi square by 2ab, hence proved. So guys, I hope you learn all the things. So it is very interesting because all three problems are similar to each other but having some tricks to probe, right? So enjoy and thank you. Bye bye.